Okay, we're going to look at two different ways to do 45, 45, 90-degree triangles. One is if you're given the hypotenuse. So we're going to make the hypotenuse x. If you're given the hypotenuse, here's how you find the legs. X times radical 2 over 2. X times radical 2 over 2. And we're going to do this so you don't have to rationalize the denominator. That might help a little bit. So let's look at the homework assignment from Tuesday, and we're going to find all the ones where we're given the hypotenuse. So, oh, here's one. Number 1, number 4, number 5, number 7, and number 10. So we're going to focus on some of these first. We'll do a couple together, and then we'll talk about the other way around. So if x is 6, the legs are going to be x times radical 2 over 2. That means if our leg is 6, radical 2 over 2. You don't want to leave it as that though, you want to simplify. And I know that 6 and 2 can both be divided by 2. So I'm going to cross that out. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our final answer is 3 radical 2, because you don't have to write the 1. So those are the lengths of the legs. 3 radical 2, 3 radical 2. Okay, so all we did was we just used this pattern. We plugged in the hypotenuse for x, and then we found the leg. Okay, so let's do one more, and then in a different video I'll show you how to do the other way around. Okay, so let's look at number 4, which also has the hypotenuse. Look at this messy rectangle there. So we know the leg is going to equal the hypotenuse, that's x, times radical 2 over 2. The hypotenuse is 10 times radical 2 over 2. I know that I can divide these together. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the answer is 5 radical 2. So both of our legs are 5 radical 2. Cool. So in the next video, we'll talk about 45, 45, 90-degree triangles, but solving them if you have the legs.